What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a pineapple fried rice and we're gonna have a little fun with it today and get fancy by serving it up in a pineapple. So first thing we're gonna do is hollow it out, and with all the pineapple that you take out, go ahead and dice it up and we'll be using it in the rice. After that's done, I'll also be using some Chinese sausage, and if you've never had it before, I definitely recommend giving it a try. It adds a ton of flavor. So go ahead and slice it up and toss it on the griddle. Once you get it nice and cooked, go ahead and set it aside and it'll get mixed in at the end. Alright, next let's get some chicken cooked. Throw some diced breast on the griddle, season it up with salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and I'm using this Umami bomb seasoning. And while that chicken's cooking, throw on some diced onions and shredded carrots. Add in a few cloves of chopped garlic and some minced ginger. Give it a good mix and add a little salt and pepper. Clear some space on your griddle, add on some oil. Next, throw on your rice. Be sure to use some you made the day before. This will have the rice separated more as opposed to it being sticky. And then add in a good amount of soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, some sesame oil, fish sauce, and some more of that umami seasoning. Give the rice a good mix and then add some green onion and that diced pineapple. Next, start mixing up all your ingredients and watch it all come together. Add that fried rice to your pineapple bowls and then finish it by drizzling some teriyaki sauce, some sesame seeds, and top it with some green onion. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And then all that's left is to dig in. See you in the next one. Cheers. Check this one out.